Exe, this is Lily Sonola from CMTV. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. So guys, I'm out here at Melville today. I want to test people's relationships. If their partners are loyal, they get 1,000 rand. So stay tuned. Dango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungangihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinase senzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend there.
Why are you cheating? Hello guys. How are you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. My name is Lily Sonola from CMTV. I test relationships. Yeah, I get tester if you're a and then check out mutwa loyal and then if you're loyal, you get 1,000 rand. So la jola.
Yeah.
And you're gonna win 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. Ne? Yeah. So how long have you guys been dating, guys? Like roughly 3 years, 2 months,
I've been in a relationship for 2 years.
2 years. You know when?
1 week.
Ha. 1 week. Almost already.
Nah.
Khane sentse re tsena kwe kae gore o mofe?
Askis?
O tsena kwe kae gore o mofe?
Maybe 5 years.
Ai.
5 years.
Maybe ang kushishi ka ra gore like gore ya Madagascar like
Angisquishishi lento esikhulumayo. Angisquishishi lento esikhulumayo.
okay. Ukhuluma isiZulu?
Yeah.
Ngithi ukuthi uye enkonzweni uthathe isikhathi singakanani naye because it's a new relationship.
Hayi.
No, angithi it's a new relationship phela abanye bayithola same day, abanye kuwathatha inyanga.
Kuzodependa.
Kuzodepend.
Yeah.
Okay. Since which are necessary, motho wa wena o ya Madagascar.
How obvious.
Which are necessary? Oh,
Been in a relationship for so long. 2 years.
ba bang ke mabetseng, so they don't want to go there. Hey, how many times do you go in a week?
Sorry?
How many times do you go to Limpopo in a week?
Madagascar. I don't count. Yeah.
Even 5 days.
Every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
Yes. Awuphumule ne? Anyway, ereke thome ka wena. Lebitso ke mang sister?
Cairo.
Cairo, o ratana le mang and le ratana for how long? O kontsa a go Sepedi. O thandana no bane for isikhathi singakanani?
Thandana no for 1 week. That's 1 week.
Yes, and then when last did you see her?
2 weeks back.
2 weeks back. Okay. I'm gonna ask you to type amanamba omuntu wakho say ukuthi uthandana no bani. I'm gonna call him and ask him ukuthi who is he dating? Wangathi to cela ungabambi phone ne ungatshela umuntu wakho ukuthi ngizofona. Yeah, just for this period. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, ngiyabonga. Wangathi uthuku sis.
I am Tugan.
Are you sure?
Okay. Fall.
Umnandi umjolo.
Yeah, umnandi ya.
So lo muntu lo ujola naye manje. Lo muntu umwaziyo from long ago or you just met recently? Bemkani benowathi wena ethi ngim-upgrade.
Bengiqeda ukuhlangana naye nje 2 weeks back. I think it was Friday. Yeah. Wangicela amanamba. Nami ngambona ukuthi okay. Yeah. Yabo.
Okay, so ereke phone le motho wa hao. What did I do? Wamsepa ke. Wait, it's Pedivela outside it all. Hi, how are you? Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good, thanks. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show where I test relationships. So your partner is here. We wanna ask you a few questions. Is your drinks coming? I wanna ask you a few questions to test if you're loyal. So can I ask you a few questions to test your loyalty?
Yeah, you can ask.
Okay. How long have you guys been dating? How long have you guys been dating?
7 months.
Okay. Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
Actually,
Okay. So what's your partner's name?
Katlego.
Sorry?
Katlego.
Katlego. Umntwana or yini? Umana.
Sure mfethu. Baby,
Mfowethu baby.
ubani uKatlego?
Ibalo mawala nje.
Ha ungathubi uwalibani ubuwalami. Hayibo ubani uKatlego? Mfethu uzongitshela ukuthi ingakho bongafuni ukuhlangana nami ngenxa yokuthi ufuna ukubona uKatlego?
Ayish.
Ungathi ayisikhuluma ubani uKatlego?
Akona bosikhuluma.
Ungathi ungwana kabo bani ngikhuluma na ubani uKatlego ngitshela into straight or soyilungisa mangifika endlini.
Yeah, it's better kanjalo.
Ungangitshela manje ubani uKatlego?
Asufuna ukumlanda manje.
Ungangihlanyisa ubani uKatlego anginasikhathi sokulandana nefebe. Ubani uKatlego? Sengingaba uKatlego mina empilweni yakho manje kanti awungitshela ukuthi ngiyiwani wena.
Washo kanjalo enhle ukukhuluma nobani bani kabala.
Hayi nevoice yami nje awuyizwa.
Lifuna lelibangani.
Singakhi mfethu kuwe?
Ayish.
Akhona phesi.
Uzongitshela iqiniso noma uyazi ukuthi mina ngakufebela nobabakho?
Oh.
Uyazi? Ungangitshela ukuthi ngeke nginawo amanamba wakhe ngathi uyakhohlwa.
You guys think it's one and not on one.
Angifuni nokwazi.
Baba.
Kanti wayi mfethu ungenza so ngikuthanda kanje ungenza so.
Nami ngiyakuthanda uthi angazi uKatlego.
Awungithandi. Ubani uKatlego?
Noma ngakutshela ngeke umazi.
Ngizomazi. Ungangitshela ukuthi ulo owangitshela ukuthi uyi-cousin yakho. Uye.
Sorry.
Wow. Awuyazini. Qhubeke noKatlego wakho ne.
Awu.
Manje ina usakhona ukukhuluma wena usakhona?
Ngiyangithusa uthi ungithela.
Phela mina ngingaba yi-step mother sakho. No ungakhulumi mangikhuluma. Uyazi ukuthi mina ngingaba yi-step mother sakho mangithanda.
Ubaba wami uzokubhebha unje.
Musi wena ukhona ukuyenza lento le mhlambe yena ngayenza kangcono.
Mina yenza kancane.
Wena nix awenzi nix. Maranda wayisine uzongithola kini by the way uzongithola no mangifika ngifuna ukufika uphekile. Upheka ipapa ne mina nobabakho sofika neship. Ube ngibuza kubabakho besikhuluma into eserious so ukuthi ngoba bengikuthanda yabo bengincenekela mara manje sengizomtshela ukuthi hayi sengiready ngifuna ukuba naye.
Oh, ngiyabona wa every time siswelelana.
Angisho siyathandana hayi lento wena oyenza yena kangifebeli.
Usamthanda?
Yeah, mara bengifuna ukuzwa i-taste yabo njengoba besengithandana nobabakhe. Bengifuna ukuzwa ukuthi like iyafana ba-taste ngafana mara. Bengifuna umntwana enhleke. Push angazi mara ngithandane nobabakhe litangwa.
Let's ngikhulume naye. How? Where drop? Ngifonela futhi. Ngifonela. Why drop?
Hayi.
I'm so disappointed at this guy, like really.
Amare kuzolini kuzobasha.
Isingifonela futhi. He hang up. I mean, he switched off his phone. Let me try again. Go, it's not going through. It's okay. Ufila jwang? But manje wena wawujola nobabakhe.
Azi inkinga ukuthi ngathola bokuqala ukuthi guy vele akekho serious ngawo. Mara now uyazi sabafana abanjani bayakhohlisa and ungithembisa ungishaya manje nami bese nginale
So ubabakhe akenaka ukukhohlisa.
awubabakhe siyadlala ekho serious angeke
So udlala nomuntu omdala, nihlala kanjani nomuntu omdala?
ayikho mdala kangaka inkinga ukuthi uyangibheja and uyangibheja stingy.
Sugar date.
Yeah, kind of like ayibeke nalapho.
How old?
40 something. Mara ngisho sing love is not about age, so
Uyamthanda.
ubabakhe.
But you said the love is not about age, so it's about money.
Ngifanele imali. Yeah.
So do you blame the guy for cheating on you?
Yeah, why yangikhohlisa athi uyangithanda ngangithanda. Mara it's fine, mara sidaba kabakhe ayikho.
Ngifuna ukukhuluma nomngane wakho. Do you mind if you sit the other side and then you come this side? Thank you for not touching your phone.
No problem.
Okay. Kalo ufake number umuntu wakho. Umuntu wakho ubani igama lakhe? Sibusiso Sbu. Okay, nice. And how long have you been with Sbu?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah, I did tell you what.
I wanna ask you the same question again to hear if you gave me a wrong one or not. So when last did you see Usbu?
I last saw you on Friday.
Friday. Okay, and Friday. This weekend. This is like this weekend. Okay, nice. And are you happy in this relationship? Are you happy?
Yes, I am actually very happy.
Do you have a male bestie?
No, I don't.
Okay. I don't know my phone now. Hey, how's it, man? Good. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show here where we test relationships to test if your partner's loyal. So I want to test your relationship with your partners here. Can I ask you a few questions? And if you get them right, your partner's going to get 1,000 rand same time.
Yeah.
Okay, shout out. Is your partner light skin or dark skin? Okay, how long have you guys been dating?
For 4 years now.
4 years. Are you happy in the relationship?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Okay. What is your partner's name?
What is it?
Or 4 years, hello, Palace.
Baby. Hello.
Yes, buddy.
Baby. Baby.
Hey,
Unganiphalisa sibo.
kumdlisile.
Unganiphalisa.
Oza. Lokuswati. Sorry.
No butang sa phone.
Awusafuni?
Unganiphalisa. Hello, uSwamkele. What do you mean ukhuluma nobani?
Come.
Okay, so I'm getting better now. I'm going to go.
Uthini?
Eh?
Uthini?
Well, visa bungo Palace.
Ubani upalisa? Asiyeke indaba yeshow ubani upalisa sengifuna ukwazi manje.
Let me hear that one. But he's a
Why ngamasi?
What you told her for 4 years, Pella?
Bhuti wo.
Umuchoro bayisebenzisa plastic na.
Uthi yenzakalani? Omunye anokuyenzani? Uthi omunye umuntu oyenzani?
Udrobe.
Ilokit.
Ngifuna futhi ore.
Ngiyacela. Ngiyacela.
Ufila kanjani?
Hello bhuti.
Mawuchiphalisa so anazi ukuthi wena uthi 4 years.
Maybe lokuthi uzobathi show or something. Akhona again.
That means it's not you alone. Dude. Why some mucho bayisebenzisa plastic? Why you are running away from that?
Plastic ya ink batla uthi wa kupalisa
Yeah.
mang.
Okay, mara santo ruzo bayisebenzisa or not? Okay, we're calling. Why the busy? Wana le analyze play. Ujale sweetie ka plastic wale nsa. Nama. Okay. So, why drop?
Baby, why drop your phone?
Never mutoa ujana ono moyo na le na mo.
Baby, ubani upalisa, baby, yo, wenyenzi kanje, ubani upalisa? Ngitshele manje, ubani upalisa? Ngiyakhatha lo muntu lona. Ubani upalisa? Sibu. Ubani upalisa? Wamanje mara sinto ishilo mosileyo la. Akusilo palisa engimaziyo. Yeah? Asilo palisa engimaziyo na. Uye. Yakusanyisa sibe. Yakusanyisa.
Usamthanda usifu. Usamthanda.
Yabona.
Usamthanda. Usamthanda.
Yamthanda.
Ngamthanda. So manje uzenza kanjani? Uzomshiya or uzoqhubeka naye?
Kuzohamba yena upalisa.
Okay. Awunandaba ukuthi umuntu wakho uthanda Palisa. What if yena uyamthanda Palisa?
Akashongo kanjalo withemba.
But what if uyamthanda?
Akashongo kanjalo yena.
But uthi uthona naye for 4 years. Ucabanga ukuthi uzoyeka umuntu o 4 years because of you.
Kuyomela ukuthi aniyeke.
Uzoza kanjani?
Maloba so wami akekho umuntu ozomthona. Khona ali it. Khona ali.
So you fight for your man.
I'm not gonna fight. Uzomyekela upalisa.
Okay. Anyway, before I go, any ways to anyone who's watching, any advice of Njolo or something?
Ningawanaki amakhamera walobhuti. Please.
Oh, Managi. What is that?
Yeah?
What is the Managi? What is?
Bheka manje if wena ufikanga la kube lezi zinto lezi zenzakalana.
Okay. Anyway, what's your word?
Hi. Aman maraqhubeka bajongijongile. Mara mina mangifika shuthi kuzohamba we7 miles. Mina we1 week ngizohlala phela ngishisa sashisa. Ayikabandi nje amali 7 miles.
Hey, this is Lily Shong from CMTV. I'm out. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze nga find out iqiniso so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungihlanyisa wena don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awulokungamnendaba nakho angithi sinase senzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? That when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?